Hey Leanne, this could be a little lengthy video, so just do the best that you can and take some notes. Basically, I'm going to have you upload all the iBooks that we finished. Just try to make them look pretty similar, and I'll go through each of these and try to tell you what I'm looking for in each of these. So first of all, as you open up, you'll need to be on your Apple, that laptop, and download that iTunes producer software and log in with houseplanseditor@gmail.com. That's going to be the iBook account. And then right here it'll be just book type is book, ISBN. This will be one of the group that you sent me a while back, so just match up the iBook to the ISBN that you signed, and that's fine there. Language, of course, is English. Title, you'll add that. You may or may not have a subtitle. Publisher will be whoever the author is. Tell you what, add this as Home Design Associates, LLC. Imprint, you can skip. Publication date is current date. Series name, skip. If that's not required, don't add that either. Now you'll notice not only do you have some tabs up here, but you have tabs down here. You'll also want to, on this page, add a description. So you should have book description somewhere in the other materials that we've done, or possibly in the beginning of the book, but try to be descriptive and include some marketing text right here. I'm going to kind of let you take this project and run with it. I can always update it after the fact, but I just want to get something out there right now, so do the best that you can. Okay, under assets, the publication will be this IBP file. Let's see if I even have any of them in here. Might have to look and see what format it's looking for. It may be that we have to export it as an .ibooks format. Hang on one second. Okay, so I have iBooks Author open, and this is going to be the cover image that you use. Hopefully you have a better, higher resolution version of this image. You'll just say this, it just needs to be a JPEG or PNG, I think. And you can also do, if you go up to File, Export, it will give you an option as to either do it as a PDF or an iBook format. I think, if I remember correctly, you'll need both versions. Now there's you'll need both versions of the file to do your uploads, and so but that's how you export it. And then you have a publication. I think that's iBooks, a .ibooks format. So you'll just do save export as iBook.ibooks. This IBP file, or whatever this is, IBA, that's more of a project file, so it's not actually a flattened final version that's meant for delivery. It's very large, and iBooks compresses it down and puts everything together. Now on the publication preview, all you have to do is just create a copy of that iBooks exported file, and then just just leave in the first 5 pages or something like that. Just, it won't be the entire book. And then delivery, and this will give you all the errors that you'll need to fix. Cover art will just be this cover image right here. Screenshots, don't worry with that right now unless it requires it, and then if it does, all you have to do is just open up your book in iBooks Author and take Jing and just copy over a few of the pages that look interesting. Don't do the bland ones with the just the word in the picture. Try to do something like this. It might be one. If we have a table of contents, something like that might be okay. Just pick pages that look interesting and add those as the screenshots if it requires it. It may not. But anyway, I'm just showing you where to add these if you need to. And then so that takes you through those items. And then over here, we need to go through the categories. So on this one, add as many categories as it allows, and you'll just go through the different different options. I read one time what the difference is between these three, but basically each of these three have different um, subcategories. So just go through the three and pick however many they allow you to add. They're closest related to what the book is about. So you'll just have to go through those and see what it is. But I think they allow you to do three, if I'm not mistaken. Authors will just be the name of the author, just one of those. Target audience will be, just what you think the target audience would be. The main thing that you're going to be using is this interest age, because other things really aren't applicable. They're more for textbooks. Now, the Apple one may be usable, but in most cases you're going to be using either the Apple one categories or this interest age, because those will be the only ones for regular books. Related products, don't worry with that. Rights and pricing, right here you just have to add a territory. It is cleared, DRM free. And then right here I think you're allowed to add your pricing. Let's see. So we'll add in United States. See if it has a worldwide one. Physical list price will be, let's just do $4.99. Price tier, I don't know if you have to have that or not, but as you get there, if you come across things that you're having a hard time finding answers to, you can't get through any of the help, let me know. And then eventually you'll go through and it'll take you actually through all those steps. The cover art will just be that cover graphic that you had. So you can actually just, when you go through all these, and then when you get to the end, it will actually take you through these last few steps. And then at the end, it will, if it has a problem uploading it, then it will tell you what the errors are. But basically, it will prompt you to, upload that file, that iBooks file, and you'll deliver it up there, and then it'll say yes, you were successful, or no, you weren't. And then if you weren't successful, try to fix whatever the problem was and re-upload. And that's pretty much it. So try to go through all the iBooks and do that and upload those. If you come to any that are giving you consistent questions, let me know and I'll be sure to help you on that, okay? Hang on one second. I'm going to look at this iBook format and see if there's anything specific that we want to change. Okay, on each of these iBooks, I knew there was a couple of things that we were looking for. One thing that you want to do is disable portrait orientation, because I think all of the books that we did were landscape. So make sure and click that one. You'll also want to add the author, the title, some keywords. Go out to Google External Keyword Tool and look for that. Table of contents, I don't think we need that, but add author, title, keywords. Click disable portrait. I think everything else is good. I probably would, if you've not already done it. I don't see any on this one, but oh, well, it has page numbers. If it has page numbers, that's good. If it doesn't have page numbers, go ahead and add that. If you happen to come to some title pages where the words are wrapping, try to fix that. Make the font smaller to make it all fit on one line. And then you'll save it, of course, after you made those updates, and then you'll create your iBooks and your iBooks presentation file. Now remember, that's got to be different. Your publication, what they call it, your publication, basically your teaser version. So you'll have one full version, and again, just include like the first 5 pages on the other one. We don't want to give away the whole book, okay? So again, you'll use your Apple on all this and make everything $4.99. Well, let's see, it has different tiers here. I don't know why this just showed up. Let's do $3.99 actually. Let's do $3.99 and see how that goes. So do that for all of them. Just use whatever default dates there are, and that should be it. Okay, if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.